this video, I will go over how you can receive money on PayPal without a bank account. So to do this, it's pretty simple. First, you will need to create a PayPal account, and for that you only need to enter an email and password and verify your email, and maybe you'll need to add some additional details such as your name and age. So just go and create your account, and then from there, in order to receive money on PayPal without having a bank account or any other type of card linked, you just want to give your account email to the person that is sending the money, or you can go to send and request right there, and then here go and click on request. And then here you can enter the name, username, email or mobile phone number of a person you want to request money from. What you can also do is create an invoice in order to receive money directly to your balance. But basically it's pretty simple to receive money, and you can just do it without having a bank account or having a bank account linked. Now once you then have the money in your balance, you can spend it on quite a lot of websites that accept PayPal as a payment method. Now what you can also do is go to paypal.com/gifts, and then you can buy gift cards using your PayPal balance for example Amazon, Netflix, Starbucks, DoorDash and a lot of different places, and that basically allows you to use your PayPal balance to spend at any of these brands. So now you know how to receive money on PayPal without a bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.